Businesses today rely heavily on digital data, making a strong backup plan more critical than ever. But what are the main backup approaches available? The first approach is file backup, a low-cost solution, sometimes even free. It protects documents, reports, and production files. It's fast and storage efficient. However, it cannot restore the full system during disasters. If disaster occurs, files return, but the system and applications must be rebuilt from scratch. The second approach is system backup. It creates a complete image of the machine, enabling full restoration. This makes system backup a true lifesaver, ensuring faster recovery and uninterrupted business operations.